So dito tayo sa third stop. Tumaplihan, San of Cruz. Yan. Ito yata yung pinakamalaking tomb. Yung pinakamataas. Yung nasa Single Rock. I'm guessing lang ha. Ayun na nga yun. Yun yung rock na yun. Yun. Sa tingin ko lang. So, papunta lang tayo doon. Yung pinakamalaki. Bibilisan ko. Para din tayo sa harap. Petra?
Diba? Ate?
Ha?
Ate na ba yun?
Oh, yung yan yung ano.
Yung same as
Lilia.
Petra? Hindi pa.
Ito na yun.
Ito na yun?
Oo. Ano si Mas Petra? Wala naman siyang pinagkatulad ko. Iba yung sa Petra, iba yung
Yung
design.
tertiary.
Wala iba. Magkaiba. Ito lang yung nasa Single Rock.
Ah.
Sige. Tuloy na lang natin doon dahil limited na yung battery ko. Ito na yung ano, yung single tomb na nasa Single Rock.
Okay, please. I'm gonna start with
Largest
Arabic.
tomb na nasa Single Rock.
Please, English text. Can we take this side for you? العربي. طيب احنا هنا في ثالث نقطة لنا في مملكة الأبطال. طبعا هذه أجمل المقابر اللي
Okay.
موجودة في
Habang nag-Arabic pa sila doon, mag-ikot muna tayo. Yan na. Yung largest.
Kagaya kanina.
Sa loob. Bawal yata pumasok dyan.
Patay.
Bawal. As usual, bawal. Putol din. Putol yung ulo.
Wala, may nakita ko.
Putol ang ulo. Eagle.
0.5 ba yun? 0.5.
Bebe, nasa tabi mo.
Buka na ako.
Siya yun.
Kaya, kitang-kita na.
Ikutin natin. Para sure na. Sure tayo na Single Rock lang. Kailangan ng proof. Charo. Yan. Yan. Single Rock lang talaga. Kaya siya yung parang pinaka-importante. Ganda oh. Okay, English speaking na yung narration, yung storytelling. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, please come closer here. Okay, so here we are in the third stop for us in the Ambat Nabatean Kingdom and the icon of the social media. So it's called belong to the leader, or the tombs belong to the leader. The leader, Lihyan, son of Musa. So how we know the name? You see the eagle, and above the eagle, inside the square, we have an inscription, as I mentioned. They are mentioned in the Nabatean language, similar like Aramic language. He is here written belong to the leader. He is called the leader Lihyan, son of Musa. This is one of the amazing tombs, but it's uncompleted. It's unfinished. We know that from the lower part. You see behind the door? What you see? You can tell me. What's the difference? What is it? Yeah, upstairs. No. No. Behind the door, there is unsmooth. So it's not like another tombs here there. And here, the reflect of the tools, what I show you inside the tombs, it's clear here. So then we know Nabatean, they are start to carve from the top to the bottom. From inside, we have just cave, just roof. It's not using at all. But we didn't know why. We didn't have any inscription to tell us why it's unusing. So, and we have the same details.
So unused
But he is
to.
only one here. He has
Unfinished
4
and
columns. This is make him
unused.
different, actually. This is present how he is wealthy. How about his money actually? If you have money, you can put for yourself many of the details. Thank you for your listening. This is there to stop. We have one more stop. Take your time here. Then we have to move to the bus for the last stop. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yan. Ito tayo sa Lahi. Tomb of Lahi yan. Sabi niya. Son of Kuz. Kuz is a leader. Kaya ito yung pinaka-importanting tomb, sabi nila. And aside from that, it is also unfinished. And somehow, wala silang nakitang gamit sa loob. Ay, I mean changes sa loob. Walang encryptions. Walang narrations. Basta, it's also unused. Hindi pa nagagamit. And sadly, hindi pwedeng pumasok. Just like the other tombs. Hindi pwedeng pasukin. Ito tayo sa desert.
I kind of want to get a photo of the mountain.
Kita niyo yung view. Ay. Paka-dramatic, di ba? Nakaloka. Ang ganda. Ang lamig. Ganda ng sunset to.